Shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. I'm about to do something I've never done before. In celebration of the 50th anniversary of Disney World, I'm pushing myself further than any park guest in history. 14 hours of family fun is about to happen today. You've heard about people riding every ride at the Magic Kingdom in one day? What's that, just 28 rides? Easy, cakewalk. Anyone with a YouTube channel can ride every ride. Only I can ride one ride, the One Ride Challenge. And today, I face the gauntlet. Open to close, rope drop to firework pop, 50 laps. Can I do it? The Earth doesn't have instrumentation strong enough to calculate the data to tell.
My friends, we're walking, we're not ready!
Chaos. What unstoppable Disney attraction will I endure for 14 hours straight?
Hurry up, people!
Today, the People Mover moves me. Well, Kenny, we're here, man. Ride number one. Boy, we have some special guests planned for today. We have an adventure ahead of us. We're gonna see crowds come and go. We're gonna see the sun rise and set. We're gonna literally watch them build Tron in real time today. Today is unstoppable.
There's Tron.
Don't get too excited about Tron. We're gonna see it a lot.
Ride one down, 49 to go.
What a great ride.
Are you going again?
Yeah, all day.
You don't have to keep getting off.
Now, she just gave me an interesting tip. She said that we can ask to ride it again. So I'm gonna do that. But
Alright, you guys watch yourself.
It's stopped and we're drifting
we're not supposed to be moved in this direction.
We're stuck.
Lucky number 7, Kenny.
Transportation system never stops.
We know. It never stops. We never stop.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily.
Ride number 7 keeps getting stopped. This is
Unlucky ride number 7, man.
according to a cast member, someone already did this. They already rode it from park open to park closed.
All right, road bump. Someone just rode the People Mover 66 times in one day. And let me tell you something, that information got me a little anxious as a creator. It's like, wait a minute, do I need to do more than 50 rides? Do I need to try to get up to 66 laps? Do I need to go even further than that? No, I don't need to get anxious. I rolled into the park that day looking for a unique experience, and hopefully this will encourage other people to look at the parks in a completely different way. Have fun your way. Who knows how many times people have actually ridden this ride, all right? There could be undocumented numbers all over the place. 69 times, 71 times, 75 times. I gotta ride this more, guys.
Right.
You have a good four ride-throughs every hour. 5 if you're lucky. If the wheels are greased right and God's on your side. Kenny, throw up a map of Tomorrowland. Show the people what we're doing. Here you can see the full track of the People Mover. It runs through almost every building in Tomorrowland, and it used to feature all kinds of great scenes of all the different rides, but now it's more of a unique experience. But hey, we still get to, we still get a flavor, a taste of all Tomorrowlands.
All right, 11 a.m. I'm gonna jump off the ride, get some refueling options for Dan to keep him going, and get some footage of him riding the People Mover from afar. All right, so long.
Finally have a chance to spread out now that Kenny left.
Line isn't too long. Don't forget DizP.com.
Ride number 12.
Dan! as he's TikToking.
We're off to a really great start with 12 rides under our belt, and it's not even noon yet.
The guy said this is probably about a 20-minute wait.
Hey, welcome back. Hey, wait right here.
This is Kenny and I's 16th lap around the People Mover. We had our timing so precise that we were able to instruct Rob to enter the queue at just the right time. Are you been recording this whole time? I am gooped. So that he slid on our ride like butter, baby.
This was amazing timing.
Well, you know, when you've been on it so many times, it's just like second nature. I don't want to say that I knew exactly what I was doing, but I knew exactly what I was doing.
Who is Robert Plays? Well, Rob is from the channel Midway to Main Street. He is an expert on all things bromine and mosquitoes and Disney history. If there's anything you want to know about Reedy Creek, well, Rob probably already knows it. Just go and ask him.
So this GTA opened in 1975 after the park opened, and it was originally called the Wetway People Mover. And it stayed like that until the mid-90s when they redid Tomorrowland and gave it sort of a unified story. And that's when it became the Tomorrowland Transit Authority. And then in 2010, they merged the two and it became the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover. And of course, this was based on the Disneyland People Mover. And it was an attraction for Disneyland, but it was a proof of concept because at the time, Walt wanted to build Epcot, the city of tomorrow, and this was going to be the mode of transportation to get from the downtown center to the houses on the outskirts.
Look at that line.
You're getting 20 plus ride-throughs with zero wait. You know how much that costs otherwise to get? That requires a VIP tour, and you're paying hundreds an hour for that.
Riding all day, nonstop.
Have you seen our hidden Mickey yet?
Where?
Okay, if you're going toward Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin, then you're gonna see on your right is the Cure Salon. The lady getting her cure done, look on her belt.
It's 1:30. We're on ride number 23, and it's getting a little hot. Need some kind of magic costume change. There we go. That's better.
It is so much hotter down here.
Burger topped with bacon and macaroni and cheese, served on a bun dusted with crushed cheese flavored puffs.
Here's a great time for me to establish one of the rules of this challenge, and that was I was not to get off this ride except to pee. And so while the boys are off scavenging for food, I'm staying on the ride like a hero.
Going off my own for a quick food break.
Ride 25.
Hustling, trying to get you some cheeseburger spring rolls. I just jump back in line, eat these.
Time this up just right.
How'd you guys do that again? Small World's an hour, Space Mountain's an hour, Pirates is an hour, Haunted Mansion 65.
There's something about being on a ride all day long. It's a ride that takes about 11 minutes. My day's been like butter. It's just been real smooth. It's been really fun. The People Mover occasionally has a couple hiccups as people load and unload, but otherwise, it's been a really fun day.
3:52, we're about to finish our 30th ride through. So we're probably gonna get kicked off on the next ride through here.
Remember that guy that rode the ride 66 times on TikTok 2 days before we showed up? Well, that made management pretty anxious, and it turns out they instituted a new ride rule in the middle of the day that forced us to get off the ride every 4 ride-throughs and re-enter the queue. One thing I have to say from this experience is how wonderful the cast members were throughout the entire thing. We didn't want to get anybody in trouble. We didn't want to do anything to cause any ruckus. And the cast members knew that we were just there to have fun and we're just on a mission for joy, and they made that happen. And I have to say thank you to every single one of you because you were all amazing.
Looks like someone may have dropped their phone in between a ride, maybe? Not sure. Trying to get something.
Toma.
Kenny's about to leave me again.
Alright, I'm maybe a Dole Whip and back like 45 minutes or so.
Kenny's gonna go get ice cream while I stay here and persist like a hero.
Yikes. This is terrible.
Slow start to ride 36 as we are stopped.
New rule, don't get off the people mover. Still waiting.
One of the things I've noticed about taking a lot of video throughout the day is that the sky looks the same for a lot of the day. Hey, we're 30, 40 rides in, and I gotta tell you something, all the lines have just started to blur. I truly Groundhog Day'd halfway through that day, man. I was just people mover, Groundhog, Bill Murray. Every morning I woke up to the same narration, the same tracks, the same darkness, the same Monsters, Inc. joke. It was a day, man. Oh, sorry, Roz.
Well, my order went through after I canceled it, so who knows?
I'm on ride 38, and I'm joined by my good friend Dallin. Hey, Dallin, buddy, thanks for coming on this ride with me. Dallin.
Dan's up there somewhere.
Do you know what this is? This is the 39th time I've gone into Space Mountain while being on the People Mover. 39!
Where is Dan? We can't find him. He's got to be on one of these People Movers.
Oh my god, am I Groundhog Day?
All right, are you ready? What number are we at?
How many times have we been here? And who are you? I guess things were said. I guess I said some things. I don't know what any of them meant. We're this deep into it. I don't know what to tell you about what's about to come on. There's just strangeness. I had achieved some kind of people nirvana, essentially. She has to boop, 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 boop. You know how, like, in Star Trek? Oh, yeah, okay. Oh. Honestly, I can't believe how easy this has been. All the crowds of people trying to kiss you away. Oh, my God. And they say to everybody, hey, keep your hands and arms inside of the legs. Don't do the stuff. Behave yourself. Oh.
I guess you're really...
I feel like I have unfairly milked value. Has it broken me? Because I'm okay.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear.
All right, you're this deep into the video. This is a good time for me to tell you that over on Patreon, we're working on an extended cut of this. We're gonna make the longest video possible because my God, guys, we have like 20 hours of footage, all right? We could make a people mover movie, a people movie.
So drop in and join Microsoft's Focus Pals and Monsters Incorporated platform.
Here we are. It's the 50th lap. Let me tell you about the people I've seen on this ride. They've been every type of person. There isn't not a type of person I have not seen get on this ride. Some of them, they look miserable when they get on, and they look miserable when they get off. Some of them get on, and they're filled with so much joy they can barely contain themselves. It's an amazing ride. What was the question?
Guys, watch your step and have a good night.
Thanks. Hold on. We did it.
Do you know who I am? I'm a hero. I'm a champion. I did it. Whoa, Kenny's walking backwards, and it's a danger zone. But it makes me respect him. Respect a man who can walk backwards and forwards at the same time. That's Kenneth Johnson. We did it 50 times, one day. Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. I'll tell you what, I never felt more like a king than I do right now. You can't tell me that I did not just have one of the best days at a theme park ever. I just came in here with a singular plan to do one thing, and it was easy to do, and I accomplished it, and now I can walk away satisfied, and I didn't overbook myself, and I can't believe the time I had. Let's ride it one more time. Kenny, just in case. Because you know you're going to edit this. I'm confident. Let's do it one more time for safety.
We're on ride 51 as a backup, and it stopped. It got stuck.
That just seems
idea.
we're trapped here for the next hour. Can you imagine?
While I was hard at work riding this ride 50 times, Kenny was wandering around Disney World taking pictures of bathrooms for
Disney.com.
an amazing new website I got to build thanks to today's episode sponsors, Squarespace. Squarespace gives people a powerful and beautiful online platform from which to create your website. Connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content. Manage your members, send email notifications, and leverage audience insights all on one easy-to-use platform. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. Use their powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too.
Got another restroom.
Extend Squarespace's already powerful e-commerce capabilities with Squarespace extensions. These new third-party tools help you manage inventory, promote products, streamline bookkeeping, reconcile and file sales, tax, and ship items across the globe. Display posts from your social profiles on your website. Automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels so your followers can share it too. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/DisneyDan to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Hope you guys enjoyed this extreme vlogging park challenge. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other extreme vlogging park challenges you'd like me to take on. Also, find me out there on TikTok, Patreon, Twitter, Instagram, and a new Facebook page. Send me your pictures. How many times have you ridden the People Mover? I bet it's been a lot. I bet some of you have ridden it more than me, haven't you? Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, you rock.
I don't think they allow that to happen. Imagine if you got a VIP tour and just